Quant is rejecting a key resistance level, and if that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. Before we get started in today's video, I just want to give you guys a quick update in terms of our Telegram chat. I have been posting chart updates in real time, so for those of you that are interested in keeping up real time with me, make sure to check out the link in the bio, and hope you guys enjoy. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another quant analysis video. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio. As you guys can see on Quant, we are retesting these exponential moving averages, but things are starting to look a little bit more bearish once again. You can see yesterday we did have a beautiful retest of this $99 mark, and I mentioned this to you guys many times that when we are going to be retesting this $99 mark, we have to be very careful here. This is the third test opportunity. You can see we saw a beautiful wick to the downside, but I mentioned the fact that because of the fact that RSI will be in the oversold area, we could look for a formation something like this where we actually go retest the EMAs and then continue pushing lower. As of right now, this scenario is definitely looking to be at play. You can see we actually saw multiple retests of these exponential moving averages without a clear break of this formation. So as of right now, we could be looking for a massive move to the downside. Of course, if we do continue pushing on upwards and actually do see a break of this 112 resistance level, then things are going to become a little bit more interesting. Ideally, from a bullish case scenario, we would have to see a strong break above this 112 level, find it as support, and then a continuation. And of course, if that scenario does play out, we can actually go and retest the highs around 128. The reason why, of course, is because of the fact that that's pretty much where the move set started. So that's where bulls are going to be looking to take these levels continuation. From a bearish case scenario, of course, a fourth retest on this support level would be an extreme case in terms of a bearish move, and we could be looking for a move set possibly back down to my major support level here at 87. Now, I do want to give you guys a good example of this, just like kind of what we saw on Cardano. For those of you that watched that video, Cardano was testing a very crucial daily support on 28 cents. Right now, Quant can see that same level at 87, and of course, if that daily level is broken, then the capitulation level for us will be around 42. The reason why I gave you guys the example of Cardano is because we broke a major daily support at 28, and you can see that Cardano was pretty much in a free fall zone. Right now, in terms of a bullish case scenario, the only thing that Quant really has going for it is the fact that this major support level here at $99 is holding. Of course, any break below this level without clear volume coming in from the buyer perspective, then we could easily just capitulate right back down, because as you guys can see here from previous price analysis, we had a massive waterfall effect from all the way up from 154, had that consolidation zone, and then the continuation. I mentioned this to you guys pretty much from the very beginning that Quant is looking to capitulate. And I was probably the only one on YouTube mentioning to you guys around the 187 resistance that, guys, this is not an opportunity for a long position, but actually an opportunity for a shorting position. You can see, of course, that we have been in a slow bleed pattern all the way to the downside. And as of right now, with this consolidation, things are still looking extremely bearish. Now, in the hourly time frame, you can see that Quant has rejected these exponential moving averages. We see a beautiful retest of this confirmation, as well as the fact even on the hourly, we do have multiple beautiful retests on the resistance for a BART formation. If this continuation does happen, then we can easily look for a beautiful move to $99. And then, of course, whether or not we consolidate at that level will decide whether we continue pushing on higher or see that capitulation on Quant. I did want to quickly talk about the daily time frames, because something is very interesting is happening over here. You can see we did briefly see a nice clean break above the exponential moving averages, but immediately after saw multiple retests on these levels and that continuation. And as of right now, we are retesting that support level once again. You can see even on the daily time frames, this will become the fourth test opportunity, since we can't break above these exponential moving averages. Any clean break of this formation would mean the fact that Quant is ready to capitulate. But if you pay attention right here, you can see we've already seen, in terms of the $87 support, On the daily time frames, we have already seen 2 tests. This would also become the 3rd test on the daily. This is why I'm leaning towards a massive move to the downside. The more times a support level is tested, the higher chances of it actually breaking. And as of right now, Quant is looking extremely bearish. But that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day.